This is Igbo-Ora, where the chances of having twins are said to be about 4 times higher than anywhere else on the planet. What if I told you there's a town in southwestern Nigeria where having twins isn't a surprise? It's practically the norm. Some families here have 5, 6, or even 8 sets of twins. For decades, locals and older studies have claimed a staggering twin birth rate of 45 or more for every 1,000 births. And while some recent studies suggest that number may have come down, it's still way higher than the global average of about 12. This isn't some modern medical miracle, it's a phenomenon that has baffled scientists for years. The people of Igbo-Ora, though, they're not baffled at all. They believe the secret is on their dinner plate. But could a local diet really be responsible for so many double blessings? I've come to Igbo-Ora, the self-proclaimed twin capital of the world, to dig into the science and the stories behind this extraordinary place. The moment you arrive in Igbo-Ora, you feel it. The town's official welcome sign proudly announces its identity, the land of twins. And it doesn't take long to see they've earned the title. As you walk through the bustling streets, you start seeing double. Young identical boys in matching outfits are playing around, teenage girls sharing a joke with the same shy smile. Mothers, respectfully called Iya Ibeji, or mother of twins, are a common sight. It feels like you can't go far without finding a family with at least one set of twins. This phenomenon is so central to the town's identity that a huge statue of a mother holding her 2 children stands in the town square. The people here don't just have a high twin rate, they celebrate it as a divine gift that sets them apart. But that just brings us back to the big question: why here? If you ask anyone in Igbo-Ora why they have so many twins, they'll point you straight to the kitchen. The local belief is that the twin boom is all down to their diet, specifically 2 things: a hearty meal called amala and a slippery green soup known as ilasa. To understand this, I head to the market. It's a vibrant mix of colors, sounds, and smells, packed with fresh produce. One item is everywhere: yams. Specifically, a white yam variety that's the key ingredient for amala, a dense dough-like staple made from yam or cassava flour. But according to a 2020 study and many locals, the real hero of the story is the ilasa soup it's served with, which is made from okra leaves. The belief is so specific that some say the ingredients must come from Igbo-Ora's soil and be cooked with its water to work their magic. For the people here, the proof isn't in a lab, it's in their homes and in the faces of their children. It's a truth they live and eat every single day. They see it as a gift from God, delivered through the food from their land. The local belief is powerful, but does science back it up? Well, the idea isn't as wild as it sounds. Researchers have been studying Igbo-Ora for decades, and the main dietary theory revolves around chemicals called phytoestrogens. These are plant-based compounds that can mimic estrogen. The thinking is that the yams and cassava eaten here contain a chemical that could stimulate the ovaries to release more than 1 egg at a time, a phenomenon called hyperovulation. Since most twins in Igbo-Ora are fraternal, non-identical, this theory fits. But here's where it gets complicated. People in neighboring towns eat a very similar diet, but they don't have nearly the same twin rate. This has led many scientists to believe the biggest piece of the puzzle is genetics. The theory is that a gene promoting hyperovulation is unusually common among the Yoruba people in this area. Because many people in Igbo-Ora marry within the community, that genetic trait could remain highly concentrated. So, is it diet or DNA? The real answer probably isn't that simple. It's likely a fascinating mix of both. Think of it this way: the people of Igbo-Ora may have a genetic lottery ticket for twins, and their traditional diet might just be what cashes it in. Beyond all the science and speculation, the most powerful part of the Igbo-Ora story is what twins mean to the culture. In Yoruba tradition, twins, or Ibeji, are seen as special spiritual beings who bring good fortune and happiness. This reverence is woven right into their customs. The firstborn twin is always named Taiwo, meaning the first to taste the world. The second is Kehinde, the one who came after. But in a beautiful cultural twist, the Yoruba consider Kehinde to be the elder. The story goes that Kehinde, being more cautious, sends Taiwo out first to see if the world is safe. In the past, when a twin passed away, families would commission a small wooden figure called an Ere Ibeji to be carved. This figure was cared for, fed, clothed and cherished, as if it were the living child, all to honor the twins' spirit and preserve the balance of the shared soul they were believed to have. Today, this reverence bursts into life at the annual Igbo-Ora World Twins Festival. Each year, thousands of twins from all over Nigeria and beyond gather for a vibrant explosion of joy. Twins of all ages, dressed in spectacular matching outfits, parade through the streets with drumming, dancing and singing. It's a powerful affirmation of their identity and a joyous reminder that being a twin here is truly a double blessing. This journey to Igbo-Ora has been about so much more than a medical mystery. It's a story about identity, faith, and the beautiful complexity of life itself. If you know any twins, share this story with them. And I have to ask you, what do you think is the real secret of Igbo-Ora? Is it the food, the genetics, or something else entirely? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from the most incredible corners of our world. So, is it the yam, the Alasa soup, a unique genetic lottery? The truth is, there's no single simple answer. The mystery of Igbo-Ora is likely a beautiful dance between nature and nurture, where a genetic gift is nourished by the very land the people live on. But what's undeniable is the town's extraordinary spirit. In a world often obsessed with being one of a kind, Igbo-Ora stands as a testament to the unique power of two. Here, twins are not an anomaly. They are the heart of the community, living symbols of luck, prosperity, and a sacred bond. As you watch them walk hand in hand through the streets, you realize the real magic of this town isn't just in how many twins are born, but in how deeply they are loved. If you enjoyed this story, hit subscribe for quicker, curiosity-driven history explained. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your idea could be our next video. Join the Summary Cave and be part of the discovery.